What's in the box? Hey everybody, so I have here a box that my brother sent me. I've opened it and I decided to record it because of the letter he wrote me. And I haven't looked in the box, it's a mystery to me. I mean, well, it's kind of a mystery. So I'm gonna read the letter. Dear brother, you will not gain victory, nor will you be able to withstand the randomness applied to this box of mystery. Soon you'll see what fury and what might it brings. Maybe your next dinner will tell? Denu? I don't know what that says. Will tell, maybe. Then again, I think I already drained this box of fury and might, so maybe you have nothing to worry about. Then again, maybe this mystery box is mystifying me. Is anything even in this box, or maybe it dream? If I send it, will it be more Mysterio effect? I'm sure it will turn out well. I think the only thing I can say for certain is the box is indeed Mystery Bane. You'll see. Ultron Mist, Brother Other. And then it's got a little drawing down here of this guy. And then it says Mystery Waves. Oh boy. Okay, so let's open it up, see what we got in this mystery box. Oh, cool. Newspaper. What's this from? Is this from King Supers? Oh, it's from Giant, which is like Stop and Shop, but it's called Giant for some reason. Avocados, 3 for $5. I'm reaching in for the first item. Seriously? I don't want this. Food Service, United States Air Force Food Service? What the heck? Why? It's a little stress ball? Kinda like it actually. Stress relief! Ooh. Okay, so there's number one. Reaching in for the next thing. Oh, we got pencils. Look at this. Spider-Man, 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 2007. It's a big eraser. That's going in the trash. Wow. I think he's had these for like 100 years. I remember these pencils. I do see a date. 1996. Had these pencils for a long time. Wow. Good job. You kept true to your word of saving the pencils for our elderness. Alright, what do we got? Ooh. I definitely don't want this. It's a little Lego car. It already fell apart. Hey bro, it already fell apart. Cool. Oh crap, it whines! Holy smokes! Whines back. That's a lot of fun.
Thank you, my brother.
Also going in the trash though. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm not kidding. Next up. What the heck? I remember this box. I think it used to hold like those book stamp things that you would put your name, like this book belongs to. Oh boy, we got a lot of stuff in here. We got a 2008 official Beijing Olympic pin with a Super Saiyan panda on it. We got a, oh I remember this, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer mini golden book. A little golden book. Oh, I remember this thing. So cute. Wow, there's a lot of story in this. Look at all that text. I don't want to read all that. Oh, 1985 this came out. Rudolph couldn't even play hide and seek with the rabbits. His glowing red nose gave him away every time. Rudolph! Oh, we got the little Bible. I remember this thing too. This little dude. Oh, it's already falling apart. Got a couple Halo dudes. The Master Chief in mini form. Get to the warthog so we can save the day. Yep. What else we got here? Oh, cool. A little shark tooth. Check it out now. The funk soul brother right about now. Oh wow, this is another thing you've had forever. I don't know why I have to own these things now, but I'll take it. Huh, it's kind of cool. It's little, you got a bottle opener, and then there's like a little knife on this side. Wow! Hiya! Little Halo guys have a gun. It's the little SMG type weapon. So miniature! Yeah! I don't know why I'm always doing that. Let's give him his gun, shall we? We got a slide. Oh, it looks like a photo of the ocean. Can you see it? Alright, get on the next thing. Oh my goodness. That's funny. Funny to me and him, anyway. This is another thing you've probably had for 1,000 years. I remember liking these. I might start wearing this thing. Heck yeah! Oh, I can feel the power! Alright! Next up! Oh, we got some headphones. What the heck? Personal property? What is that? Ugh, these look gross, dude. These are immediately going in the trash. Next up. Oh, this is what I was exciting for. Exciting for? This is a little keychain that looks like a Game Boy. Well, this is interesting. Mini Classic 1990. It's hard to read the dates. I need a flashlight. 1998 Nintendo. Spider-Man. Apparently this is a Spider-Man game. I'm gonna get it working. See, it says Spider-Man there. Cool. We got a couple Spider-Man things going on. What's next? No. 2008 Hasbro made for McD's. McDonald's. This is like a keychain thing. I'm not sure why you even have this. It's got a little bobblehead. I have one word for that. A garbage. Oh, look at this little dude. That's a little Volkswagen Bug. It winds up. How about on this Michelangelo folder? Okay. Whoa! Made in India. This little chest. Made from human bones. Oh, there's another one. Made from human bones. Oh boy, there's something in here. Oh, it's the little elephant. And a penny? Ooh, it's a wheat penny. What's the date on this bad boy? 1928? Wow. Look at a 1928 wheat penny. Saw that on eBay. A couple hundred bones. Anything else in there? What the heck? There's an elephant. I remember this thing too. I've had this forever. And a bunch of loose beads. Why did you send loose beads? Do you know why these are like this? Now they're all over my floor. Thanks. Thank you. We got a loose screw. We got a broken elephant trunk from this guy. This guy's elephant trunk broke. Can you see that? Yeah. I'm not happy about that. Alright, like and subscribe everybody. Thanks for watching.